now. Yeah, we are now on the way going back to Sydney area, and yeah, I was coming from over that side. Yeah, there is a very long road, Alpine Way, the name of the road. Yeah, and the snow is over that side, but in here, yeah, there's also some snow. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, the view along the way is really beautiful. They are Filipinos. And now actually we are heading to Cancuban. Actually, I don't know where is the Google map going to bring me. Yeah, but I made Sydney as destination. So maybe we are going along the coastal area and not the inland one. The inland one is going back to Jindabyne and Kuma and Canberra, but I think this one is going to Merimbula. Yeah, along the coastal, along the beaches. This couple, they are cooking here. Very nice. Oh, look at this. Yeah, the road is actually black by the fallen trees. And so the driver of this vehicle is now helping the people to remove those trees. Let's go to help them also. Bye.
Nice to meet you, Robbie.
Nice to meet you. Bye bye. Yeah, they are Filipino. They are also helping here to clear the way. Yeah, and look at that. Yeah, this is gum tree. Yeah, this gum tree. I heard from one of the comment from Simona that gum tree is a widow maker. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, dangerous. How come? Even look at this. Oh. There was just a first car and me, and then we started to remove the branches, and then another people came, yeah, and everyone helps, yeah, and in less than 10 minutes We remove all the branches and it's become passable. Amazing. And there is no connection here, no network service. It's only SOS. But my iPhone has the feature of able to call through satellite, actually through text message through satellite. Yeah, we reach another town. The name of the town is Cancuban. It's a very small town center. Yeah, this is the town center. There's restaurant, chemist, there's a grocery. School also is here. A police station on that side. And it is surrounded by mountains. Yeah, I'm going to have a breakfast. It is already at 12 o'clock, but yeah, I'm going to have this. I really enjoyed that meal. Yeah, 2 pieces of bread, scrambled egg with truffle and bacon. Yeah, nice. And then I went to the toilet. I saw myself on the mirror, and yeah, I noticed that this necklace changed myself, I mean the looks. Yeah, it's good. There is already an internet connection in this area. There is reception. Yeah, and I checked that the Google map actually give me the way, lead me to go to this way, going to Wagga Wagga area instead of going to Canberra. Yeah, this is their sports center. There is a big swimming pool over that side. And we stop here once again. The name of this is Southern Cloud Lookout. Yeah, this is here in the Snowy Valley. Yeah, I am wondering why all the fields over there, the mountain, the hills, they are all color green. They are grassy green, just like this. Yeah, and they are amazing to see along while driving. Yeah, but on that side there are those very green trees. Yeah, but I was really amazed along the way coming from that side. And there is a picnic table here. There is a water, but not suitable for drinking. Yeah, the inland place of Australia is like this. Just sit different hills, scenic, beautiful. There's something to read here. Let's have a look. The name of this lookout is Southern Cloud. Basically, it's the name of the aircraft that was disappeared in one of those mountain ranges. Yeah, mountain ranges in Mount Kosciuszko. But they found it after over 20 years. Okay, we keep on driving and enjoying the scenery. Yeah, after about 3 hours of driving, this is the very first big town or big city that I reached. Yeah, the name is Tumut, T-U-M-U-T. They have Woolworths, they have Coles, McDonald's, KFC. I am getting one of these. Yeah, green beans. It's $6. No, it's just $3.90. I'm also getting just one piece of onion. It's $4.50 per kg. Also one of this tomato, $4.90. Oh, it's going to be wasted. I don't want to waste it, so I'll just get 2 pieces of this. Or this instead. This is what I got. Yeah, total of $18. Should I eat in McDonald's? No, I'm not hungry.